Good afternoon, everybody. This is Mark Sebastian, the founder of OptionPit.com, with my weekly trade idea. Reminder, this is for educational purposes. None of this should be conceived, whatever, as investment advice. Consult your financial advisor for investment advice. This is for educational purposes only. This Wednesday the 12th at 3:30 Central, 4:30 Eastern, I'm doing a webinar, Taking Off with Condors and Butterflies. It's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be a great webinar, and it'll be 45 minutes, and everybody's out the door. So if you are interested in condors and butterflies, go to optionpit.com/condor trading. That's optionpit.com/condor trading. You can see the link right there. And get yourself registered. It's going to be a good time. So let's talk about the market. And what I want to talk about is this compressing volatility. And, take a look at what's going on here. You've got this kind of lower lows. So we'll just look at the 2070 level. Fine by me. So let's look right here, straight across. And now let's look at the vol levels at those levels. Ellipse. You got 1, 2, 3. Now, do any of those, what do you notice about those? Volatility is doing this. So we're down a little bit today. We're down about $1. The market keeps threatening this 207 level. I think we bounce, and I think we bounce quickly. I'm a buyer of this market, and I'm a bounce buyer. All right, and when I look around, 207.5, I can buy next week's at the money calls for about $1.40. It's less than 13% volatility. Or I could buy the 208s for 112. I'm gonna do these guys. I'm gonna put like a 137 bid in for the August 207.5, expiring next week. Calls. I'm gonna pay 135. You can see I'm bid. And my thought is that we'll probably pop off of this number. I mean, we've been down multiple days in a row. Sentiment sucks, but volatility isn't increasing. That's typically a sign that, or at least I believe that's a sign that we're getting ready to kind of flip around and move. And I'd be less than shocked if we were, we open up higher on Monday. So my trade idea of the week is the SPY 207.5 calls, expiring next Friday for $1.35. If I can get them done for $1.35, I might have to pay up if this thing turns around. I'm not paying more than $1.40. That is going to be the plan, and you can see that I am actually working the order now. Other things I'm watching are just the general VIX futures malaise. I mean, take a look, and we're going to get filled here in a second. I mean, if you take a look, VIX is, we're down 12, and the VIX is barely moving. The VIX futures are barely moving. October's down, so there I am. I'm filled on the Miami Exchange. And you can see that, futures aren't moving, VIX isn't moving. And so I fully expect us to have a little bit of a pop on Friday. And if I'm eating a little bit today, not the end of the world. All right, folks, if you've got questions about this or any of what we're doing, you can call me, 888-TRADE-01, or you can email me, mark@optionpit.com. Again, make sure to check out our webinar, optionpit.com/condor trading. And hopefully I'll see you there next Wednesday. And hopefully I'll have already flipped out of my long call. Okay, folks, have a great day and a great weekend.